day 3?
Yes.
And me and Chloe came out to watch the sunrise. I don't know if you can kind of see. It's still a little dark over here, but it's getting nice and light over there. We don't have much plan. I think we're going to have like a beach day today. Because yesterday we spent the day kind of sightseeing, going to the Wright Brothers Memorial and the lighthouse. So I think today we're just going to spend the day on the beach in the water. So I'm looking forward to that. Alright, I'm here all by myself at the beach. Chloe just finished her class in the morning. But I figured I'd just come over here and enjoy the beach for a little bit before everyone else came over. They still had to eat lunch, and Amma and Appa are going to pick up some fresh live blue crab for dinner. And they don't like sitting out in the middle of the day. So here I am, all by my lonesome, drinking some beer, reading my novel. Hopefully they'll join me soon. Here's our beach snacks. In the orange
Pepper and salt.
pepper and salt. And guacamole and chips here. And Appa, what are you drinking, Appa?
Rum and coke.
Rum and Coke? I don't know what I have. Cheers.
Yeah.
And then Chloe and Puppy are way out there in the water. A little, yeah. Just finished day 3 at the beach. Another sunset. How was the water?
Good one. Adimai.
Arume.
Something in now. Crab. Nandi. Best crab in the world. Outer Banks.
Did you eat
Okay.
it yet? Did you try it yet?
We tried one time, but now they're going to do it second time. We're going to enjoy properly.
Nice.
Okay? Nom. Nom. Ooh. I can't wait. Oh, man.